About this item: backhand index pointing right, perfect battery replacement, 6MT4T battery capacity, 62 Wh/80 mAh voltage, 7.6V battery type, Li-ion condition, 100% new from manufacturer, white heavy checkmark, compatible part number 6MT4T7B69Y07V69YTXF9M0TXF9M79VRK079VRK. Note: this battery is not compatible with G5M10/RYXXH/R0TMP, not fit E5250, E5270, E5450, E5550 series notebook. White heavy checkmark, compatible laptop models, replacement for Dell Latitude 14x10 to the power of 5470 5470 series notebook, Dell Latitude 15x10 to the power of 5570 5570 series notebook, Dell Precision 15 3510 M3510 series notebook, Dell P62G P62G001 P48 F001 P48 F002 series notebook. Thumbs up. High quality grade cells ensure fast charges and low power consumption. Safety. Universal battery for HP laptop has passed the import and export certification. Built-in circuit protection ensures safety and stability. Beaming face with smiling eyes after sales for you. 24x7 email support. 12-month service, 30 days money back.